So hello everyone, my name is Shikhar Upadhyay and I am from India, and I am going to be talking about my final CS50 SQL project. I have named it Bring Your Own Cinema, just like Bring Your Own Book, Bring Your Own Movies. I have named it Bring Your Own Cinema, and as the name suggests, it's a cinema type database which allows users to search every type of cinema from TV shows to mini series to movies and even documentaries sometimes. So let's know the database on my CS50 code space, and as you can see, this is the data. So I have my users table. Each user will have their own ID, their first name, their last name, and the password. And I set ID as the primary key so that you can each user is identified with a unique ID. Then I have cinema table which has ID as its primary key. Then the cinema name, the type can be movies, TV shows, miniseries, film series created by could be the name of the director or the producer, the one who created the cinema, and release means release date is what we're talking about here, and here also the primary key is ID. Then we have watch list. Watch list is another table. It's actually a relationship table is what we could call it, because it relates user and the cinema they like. Let's say user likes Breaking Bad, so he could add Breaking Bad here. Uh, and yeah, that's how they can store whatever they like and whatever they would want to watch in future. So their id is the id of this record in the watch list table. Then there is user id, cinema id, which comes from users and cinema tables respectively. And then it's watched it. Watched it isn't nothing but it asks whether the user had watched it or not. uh, the default value I have set it to 0 because I am guessing whenever user adds the cinema to this table, they might not have watched it. That's why they add it to the table so that they can watch in the future. Then I have stored some views as well, so that uh, it could help users to find the TV shows or movies or miniseries or film series uh, easily. Uh, so that they don't have to write this much of the query. They can just write like this. Like if I would do here, could be something like select star from, let's say we want TV shows. So it would give us all the TV shows that are there here. Or let's say we are not talking about TV shows here. We are talking about film series. Film series would also be here as well. Then I have also created an index, Cine index, which allows faster results whenever senior type column is being used. So I can do something like this. Let's say plain query plan, and then I can do select star from TV shows and see it shows. Yeah. Sorry, I made a mistake. Oh, I misspelled explain actually. Plain query plan, and then I and see it is using the Cine index that I have created. Why it uses Cine index? Because I use Cine type in my all of my views that I've created here. So it helps the database to find results fast. And then also I have a trigger here. This trigger does nothing, but whenever user changes uh, 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 a movie record in the watch list, that okay, they have watched this now. So what this trigger does, it removes that from the watch list. Something like this. Let's say we have this much in our watch list as of now. So this is the data in watch list, and let's say the user update watch list set watch it to, let's say, one, where say this user set to, let's say, user with ID 3 updates it. So it updates it, and now let's say now let's see whether it is getting removed or not. And see it. So this is something use of the trigger to automatically delete the record from the watchlist. Hope you like this video. Thank you and have a great